YouTube, this is the Two Coolest 2. I'm doing a weather update for the snowstorm, but it's in New York City right now. I'm located in Brooklyn, New York, Sheepshead Bay. It's exactly February 6, 2010 at 12:51 a.m. Probably wondering what I'm doing outside. Well, I'm here to show you guys the storm. They just went about 2 hours ago. They said 3 to 6 inches. Now they updated it to 4 to 8 inches. Let's take a look at my radar. As you can see, this is New Jersey, this is New York. New York has a winter storm warning. New Jersey right here, that's a blizzard warning. They didn't think it was going to move towards us, it actually is, but it's weakening now, so we might not get a blizzard. So anyway, I'm here to show you right now how the weather is. If we look over here, you see the snow is blowing, shivering, sorry about that, and the snow starting to collect. Some of it's on the ground right now, so. Okay, let's go look at the coverage right now. Here's some snow on the car. It's like a little thin layer, not that much. Over here, it's really collecting. Certain pavements, snow collects more. I don't know why. Here, let's take a look. Yeah, it's a thin layer. It's not that big of a deal. So my camera goes real slow because I damaged the lens by dropping it one day, so slipped after a damn thunderstorm. See, the snow's starting to collect now. It's real windy. The current temperature is about 26. It's gonna go down to 19, so it's a lot of snow out here. This is the most updated radar. Had it updated again. Okay, I'll be putting more videos up, so stay tuned for my next update. Thanks for watching. The next video should be up like in an hour or so. Bye.